Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can change time format on Android phone. Alright guys, let's get started. First of all, go to your settings application on your Android phone. Then you're going to scroll down until you find the general management setting. This one. Tap on the general management setting. And then you're going to tap on the date and time setting. This one. And if you want to use the 24-hour format, make sure that you activate this feature, this 24-hour format feature. And now as you can see that I'm using the 24-hour format feature. And if you want to change the format, if you want to use the 12-hour format, you just need to disable this feature like this. And now as you can see that the time format has been changed. Now I'm using the 12-hour format. If you want to use the 24-hour format again, you just need to click on this toggle button to activate this feature or this option. And alright guys, that's how we can change time format on Android phone. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching. And if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to this channel. See you on the next video.